Hi and welcome to the video. This is Anthony here. This is a full introduction to VIP. We're going to go through the trade signals. I'll explain how you can use the signals, the mentorship, and the indicators on TradingView. To access these Telegram signals here, the signals in Discord, and the indicators, if you join through WAP, just log back into WAP and you'll be able to access everything there. I'll show you that, and then we'll come back here and I'm going to explain how you can use these trade signals that go in here and how you can take advantage of this opportunity. And we'll have a look at the Telegram signals, how you can automatically copy those, and I'll explain the mentorship. So before we do that, access is through this WAP link you would have clicked, and you'll come in here. You're not billed, and you can just click on this get access over here on the right. This sets up the 14-day trial. Okay, billing starts after 14 days, and you can control your subscription through here. So I'll just open this up. Okay, so now to access the resources through WAP, come down here under your WAPs, click Anthony, and you're going to have full access through here. Claim the indicators. You can just put your TradingView ID in here. Discord. Let's just click on claim access, and then you got the Telegram, and you'll see Anthony's VIP FX channel. Now you should be able to click that to gain access. Okay, so that's done through this link down in here at the bottom left. We'll quickly have a look at the Telegram. These signals are best suited to auto copy through something like TS Copier, and I have a trade copy service as well. That's roughly USD $30 a month cheaper than getting set up with TS Copier. So these are best suited for that. Now, if you come into Discord, down here, this is the main channel, and you'll be able to copy these signals manually. It generally gives you time. I'll show you an example. Okay, here's an Aussie dollar. Let's have a look at the idea. Okay, it's a really simple instruction. I try to make this completely suitable for beginners or anyone really at any level. And the instruction is wait for the pullback. In other words, wait for the candle to turn red, and then set an alert for a buy opportunity. And I'll show you that. Just wait for that candle to turn red, and then take the next green alert. It's the Aussie dollar. All right, and so this is the reply to that. Okay, the outcome. Okay, so the instruction was just wait for the candles to turn red and take the first green signal. Very, very simple, very straightforward. And this is suitable for manual trading, usually through the London and into the New York Open. And all you really need to do is just set up the alert. Okay, now the other thing that we have in Discord in this channel are the mentorship videos. We go through previous trades, we look at the outcome, and we discuss, we also look at new trade opportunities as well. This will cover everything you need to know regarding the signals, and if you're looking to trade yourself, we cover all of the indicators, the indicator settings, how to use the signals, how to set up alerts. Everything is covered in these mentorship videos. Now, if you're new to the channel, if you've just joined or you're thinking of joining, it's important that you watch at least the last 3 videos that are in this channel. So just scroll up, find them. Okay, there's another one here. And start with the first video and then work your way down, at least the last 3. That will bring you right up to speed. The other thing is we have the indicators now. Down here in the indicators, you'll be able to click these, and this will run through every indicator that we have, and will give you full details on how to set things up. Okay, so between this channel and the Trade Ideas, the mentorship videos, you have everything you need to copy the signals and or trade yourself using our indicators. Don't attempt to use the indicators without watching these videos. The indicators need to be used in a specific way, so we cover that in here. And finally, if you're looking to automatically copy the Telegram signals, if you come up here, there's a link to TS Copier and full details on how to set up TS Copier. And if you scroll down, this here, you can download this. These are the settings that you need to import into TS Copier. If you prefer the trade copy, just DM me and I'll send you some information on that. Okay, so if you'd rather not have to deal with setting all this up with the trade copy, my trade copy service, I set everything up and I connect your account to mine on my end. There's nothing for you to do other than send me your maybe MT4 or MT5 credentials so that I can connect your account to mine. Yeah, I mean, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.